Okay, I got some initial shoveling done, and right after I shoveled, more snow fell from the roof. So, hey, konnichiwa. Ah, sure, 心配ない、大丈夫です。はい。いや、そうですね。雪すごいね。やっぱり多分グローバルウォーミングね。冗談。やっぱり楽しいですね。気をつけてね。すごい。Wow. So that was our neighbor. Wow, すごい。すごい。Wow. See, and every time I shovel, snow falls right off the roof. So, すごいね. Wow. So here's what I did so far. So I didn't want to scratch the paint, so I'll get a broom on that later. Can't even get back here too well. And here's what I did this morning. And down the street, only people got what they could to shovel to the street, but the snow plows haven't come by yet. Oh man. Wow. すごい. I can't even cross over there, so I'm gonna go by the deck here. Can't even get in the yard. Wow. I got a bamboo over there somewhere. Here's this bamboo. We couldn't get AFN until I'd cleaned off the antenna. Sugoi. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. The 19 years I've been here, this is the worst. So like I was telling our neighbor, Mrs. Kimura, I think it's global warming. Ha ha ha.